World Miss University is an international beauty contest held annually in Seoul, South Korea since 1986. With an average of about 70 contestants every year. The event is to select World Miss University Peace Corp representatives. As an event was organized by the International Association of University Presidents after the United Nations named 1986 the Year of Peace. The organizing committee dispatches peace missions to regions in conflict like Kosovo and Rwanda. These days, the event is organized by World Miss University Organizing Committee, which has headquarter in Manhattan, New York, United States. Winners Gallery. See also List of beauty contests. World Miss University official website.